young leaders can present new ideas and insight into this rapidly changing world. And although we haven't had much experience with things, I feel like it's our attitude, determination, and willingness to help others that drives us to make a difference.
The year 2021, let us continue to look after one another's health. Let's look after our economic recovery. But let's also celebrate what makes us who we are as a nation and work to further strengthen that even still. Dhanyavad, thank you very much. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou.
It is my absolute privilege to host, as the Minister for Diversity, Inclusion and Ethnic Communities, Diwali 2020 here in Parliament, in your Parliament. Over the years, Diwali in New Zealand has been transformed for what was largely back then a private celebration that happened in homes and brought families together to one that is now a very public celebration of Indian and South Asian identities and is attended by a wide cross-section of New Zealanders across Aotearoa. This transformation of the way Diwali is celebrated in New Zealand, to me, reflects the increasing growth, diversity and visibility of our communities here in New Zealand.
It is a matter of great happiness that Diwali is celebrated in New Zealand so extensively for almost a month, thanks to the support from the government, parliament, city councils and communities all over. No doubt, it shows tremendous goodwill for India, its cultural heritage, and the contributions made by the people of Indian origin, who number now 250,000, over more than 125 years in the progress of this multicultural nation.
Okay, so here is the Parliament Diwali. Since 2005, it has been one big function here in the Parliament, where we had the Honourable Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern, along with Indian High Commissioner, Minister of Ethnic Affairs, Priyanka Radhakrishnan, along with Paul Patel from the New Zealand Central Indian Association. Performances, speeches and food. This is a December celebration which probably can take up to the Christmas celebration as well. But Parliament having this Christmas celebration is unique in its own way every year and year. And after COVID, we didn't think we were going to have this function. But having said that, we did have it. Those who came along and those who watch the coverage, thank you.
रेडियो तराना के श्रोतागणों को पहले तो मेरा नमस्कार। आज हम पार्लियामेंट में दिवाली मना रहे हैं और यहाँ पे डिफरेंट सिटीज़ से लोग आए हैं, डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़ से लोग आए हैं और प्रधानमंत्री भी आए थे जिन्होंने दिवाली के बारे में अपना भाषण दिया और पूरी इंडियन कम्युनिटी को अपनी वेल विशेस भेजी हैं। तो मैं भी आप सभी को पूरी पार्लियामेंट की तरफ से, सभी एमपीज़ की तरफ से, लेबर पार्टी की तरफ से दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं। बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यहाँ की संसद में भी हम अपना त्यौहार मना सकते हैं और सब रिलीजन, सब कल्चर के लोग इकट्ठे आके ये त्यौहार मना रहे हैं। तो जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि दिवाली एक ऐसा त्यौहार है जो कि अच्छाई की जीत है बुराई पे, वैसे ही हम आशा करते हैं कि कोविड जल्द ही ख़त्म हो जाए और हम सब लोग अपनी फैमिली के साथ, रिश्तेदारों के साथ जो न्यूजीलैंड नहीं है उनके साथ भी ये दिवाली मना सकें। सो वंस अगेन हैप्पी दिवाली, शुभकामनाएं आप सबको। थैंक यू।
I've been absolutely humbled that we've had, I think it looks like more than 300 people here from across Aotearoa who have come to Parliament to celebrate Diwali. We've had some amazing performances, many performers who have also travelled from outside of Wellington, some who are based here as well, who have done incredibly well. So I'm just so humbled and thankful for people to be here. It's been a lovely evening and I hope they feel the same way.
Namaste, Kya ho raha? I am Muktesh Pardesi, Indian High Commissioner to New Zealand. I am so happy and to be part of the Diwali celebration in New Zealand Parliament. So many people come, though we are celebrating a little late, but we are honoured to have the presence of Honourable Prime Minister, so many members of Parliament, representatives of the Indian community, members of the diplomatic corps. This shows tremendous respect for India, its cultural heritage, and the people of Indian origin who have made New Zealand home. There are 250,000 people here, and by respecting tradition of India and its traditions, this is the best tribute that the New Zealand people can give to India and its people here who are living here.